Hey Ling Ling, can we have a talk? Hey man, what's up? Somebody wrote a very bad review to our salon, giving us 1 star, and they say that they wish they can give us 0 star. They say that you were yelling at them, being rude. She came in, she was yelling at Mimi, and I didn't like the way she was talking to Mimi. So I just stand up for our team member. You know I got your back from day one. You didn't even have to say anything at the interview and I still hire you. I gave you a brand new lamp, gave you a nice station, and you go and kick the customer out? I'm sorry. You know what? I need you to pack your bag. But I didn't mean it in any bad way, man. I was just trying to have her back. I'm done. I cannot take another bad review. I am done. Over 1 bad review? Pack your bag, please. You know what? I don't want to leave. It's not my fault. You want me to go? You drag me out. I'm not leaving. Hey man, can we have a talk? Hey, what's up, Mimi? Yeah, what happened? I think I'm gonna quit too. What?